What's up, world? Looky what we have here. Yeah, you guys thought this thing was gone, didn't you? Nope. It's been around. If any of you guys remember from a few videos back, we said that we were putting this on hold for a while. AJ's been dealing with some stuff, and you know, life happens. So, but anyway, we're back. And what we're doing today, some suspension. Yeah, right now he's getting the transmission rebuilt with fresh synchros and a wave track LSD. We were gonna try to do it ourselves, but kind of learned that, you know, transmissions are a little bit more complicated than what we usually do. So yeah, he brought it over to his buddy. Where'd you bring it?
Moss BMW.
Moss BMW. Yeah, and he's got a buddy over there. He's banging it out for us. So that should be ready in about a month or so. Just waiting on the funds to get all the other parts that we need, you know. Yeah, so let's see. We got some Yonaka Coils. What are they, 16-way adjustable? 28-way adjustable. What is the ride height that they can go to? Anywhere from stock, and you can drop it down how low? Like 2 inches? Something like that. I mean, it's got a good bit of travel. But yeah, we are going to be getting rid of these old pieces of shit and putting in these fresh, not pieces of shit. But yeah, got the car jacked up, obviously, so we're about to get started. Little side-by-side comparison.
It's sitting all the way down right now.
Very significant difference, obviously. All right, we got the other side out. Super simple. I'm sure you guys have seen people do coilovers many times on the interwebs. So we're just gonna skip right to the meat and potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these, get them somewhat relative to the stock, and get them put in. All right, so we're having to walk the shock up. It was a little tight for the mounting holes. So we just managed to get a few threads through, and then we're using the hardware that they supplied us just to walk them up. No big deal. Just be aware of that. Maybe something you'll have to do. Passenger side is in. Just got to put the wishbone back on, and we're done with the front. And per usual, you know the weather. Yeah, let's go ahead and lower it.
Ready?
Yep.
Is the jack in the clear?
Yeah. Pull it out.
Just barely. Yeah, boy.
It looks stock. Take that. Let the e-brake out.
Close. That's all right. I can get home and adjust it. It's about a ½ inch lower, or maybe an inch.
It looks higher.
No, honestly, there was a huge gap right there. This was higher than that. There was a bigger gap up here than back there for sure. That's funny. Totally thought it was gonna be slammed.
Right? Well, we got some adjustments to do.
Yeah.
All right. Round 2. Go ahead. That's it. I mean, it's better.
Oh yeah, that was great.
Yeah. It's better.
Perfect. I like that sun tree right there in the line down. But I think I can get in my driveway like that.
Yeah. I mean, it's still semi-functional. It's still kind of, there's, let's see, the test. Yeah. It still doesn't pass the chew test, but it's all right.
What's the plan? If I make it in and out of the driveway just fine,
Yeah.
we're gonna go lower.
Yeah. I like that idea.
Yeah. If I don't make it in the driveway just fine like this, then we're gonna go lower, and I'm just gonna keep it at girlfriend's house.
Word. I like that idea too. Either way, we're going lower. All right, cool.
I like the way it looks. So
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
It may sink a little bit once it starts bouncing around.
Yeah, they still have to settle and whatnot, but still, you know, it's a little high. But anyway, let's go and get the back done. All right, we got the rear out. Just a little side-by-side comparison. We're going to adjust this guy to roughly this height, see what the gap looks like, and then adjust it from there. But we're going to try to match up the front and the rear gap to where it doesn't look like it's got shitty pants. There she goes. So we're taking off these brake lines, just the 10 mils that hold them. Makes it easier to get the shock body in. Okay. Moment of truth for the back. Yep. Hey. That's not bad.
Like a pro?
That is not bad, bro.
Man,
Look at that. First
like
try.
we knew what we was doing.
I know. Almost. Shit. You'd think after I've done coilovers, I don't know, 15 billion fucking times.
Oh, God, that feels great.
Dude.
Oh my God. Can't wait to drive it.
Nice. Yeah, man.
Dumpy butt, but
No. We're definitely gonna get it lower for sure. But I mean, for an initial adjustment, you know what I mean? That's really good.
I could drive home like that.
Yeah, let's see how it rides like this. Let the springs settle, and then next weekend we'll drop it down all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's what's up. That's what's up, man.
That wasn't a bad high five. That
Yeah.
wasn't the best. But
Sweet. Well, there you go, guys. I know this is probably going to be a quick one, but yep. Prelude's still here. Still going strong. Still got our carbon fiber bits and all that stuff. Everything's in good shape. But yeah. Appreciate y'all checking it out. We still got some more things to do, so don't worry. We're going to get back at it. Keep modding this thing. Keep the project going. Yeah, next is going to be a short shifter, some bushings. We're going to put in the flywheel, transmission with the Wave Track LSD, new synchros.
Stage 3 clutch.
Yeah, stage 3 clutch. And then probably after that, Honda. Yeah. So, stay tuned. Like I said, we appreciate y'all checking it out. We'll see you on the next one.